Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Sportsroyals Power Cage. This thing came in quite a few boxes. It's pretty heavy. It's like a giant Lego set putting together, but it's pretty well thought out. Each one, each stage for the page has little tools all lined out, so it's very easy to assemble everything. This whole process probably took me maybe a couple hours, so not too bad. Everything's really sturdy, and like I said, it just goes with step one, and in step one it just has all your instructions for that step, and then each step has the screws or bolts or washers that you need for that particular step. So it's super user friendly. Put everything together and you're ready to go. There's a few things that you should know when you are putting it together. Make sure that the bolts on the bottom, you don't tighten all the bolts all the way at once. Just kind of get them most of the way, and then when you get them assembled, then you can tighten down the rest of the way. That way, sometimes if it's too tight on the bottom, you're trying to put the other ones on there, it's not going to not allow you to put the other ones in. So those go on there. So this thing's got a lot of bolts on there, and it's super sturdy. Once you get it all together and tighten it down, you run your cables through the tops there, set up your pulleys and everything like that. Don't go crazy over tighten on the pulleys, but everything went together nicely. It didn't have any issues. It gave me extra washers and things like that, so just in case there was some missing. Super sturdy. Always make sure you check everything. It's nice and tight when you're done with it. And we're ready to go. Get it all set up. The weights has a little weight station there. You can put your weights, the plates on there, and then you can just, if you want to add it to your machine, just put them right on there. So let's check it out, guys. All right, so whether you're doing some rowing or anything else, this Sportsroyals Power Cage has everything covered. So these are super easy to adjust the heights. If you have these screwed in, just simply loosen this up, pull that out, and then whatever height you want it to, it's gonna lock into place. We have these little markers on the side that tells you what height it is. So whether you're going all the way to the bottom or all the way up to the top, this ensures that you're gonna have the ability to use these either mid or, what's that, on 10. Switch this one over to 10 real quick. Just like that. And then we can do our, what do we want to do? Like chest flies. We put these at the bottom. We can do curls. We can do tricep. We can do pretty much everything with these. I really like these. You do crisscross pulls. However you want to do it, just like a ton of different exercises. This bar fits right in here. Things like this. We can lower this all the way down here and just use this and do our pulls off of that, whether we want to do certain exercise. Like, I love the versatility of these. Whatever height you want them at, whatever exercise you need to do. You can attach a rope here and do your exercises here. We've got these dip things here. These are great. Let's see, make sure I'm a little bit higher. So these are so easy to turn, switch on and off, or put in and out. Just set them on there. Just remember what height you're at. So these are at the 12s. Just grab it, and then, other way around. But no tools required for this. You don't have to do any complicated installations. Just push this through there and set it up, and then you can do your dips on here. All kinds of different things. Very sturdy. I like how easy this is to take on and off, and it's super strong. Just pull those off of there. No problems. All this is really easy to work with. So that's what's really nice about this. Whether I'm changing these out, putting different plates on there, doing my bench press. These are super easy to put on as well. Up here.
So changing out your weights is no problem. I like how convenient all these are, so we can just do our bench press right here. No worries. It's got this little stop bar, so if I can't put it back up, I don't need a spotter. It's gonna rest right there. But I like that. You can just work out by yourself. And this bars, of course, are adjustable, so I put it right there. If I wanna do incline bench, if I wanna do my squats and things like that, I use it as a squat rack and just simply put these up here, lock those in place, and put my bar up here if I want to do squats too. So super versatile. The bench is really nice. Check this out. This just locks into different places. You want to adjust it for different heights. It's super sturdy. It's got wheels on the back, so if you want to move it around, you can do it just fine, no problem. And obviously this is going to raise up too. It's got little notches, so it goes up each little step right there to whatever height you want, to vertical, to more than vertical. So this thing it's super sturdy as well. We want to put this back down. We can do an incline bench or a decline bench even on this a little bit. So it's really nice, easy to move around. Like the wheels on there, you can just roll it to wherever you want to. Changing out the weights is no problem also. I'm just super impressed with this, guys. We got our pull-ups up here as well, so we can do our pull-ups. And wide grip, narrow grip, all the grips, dips, everything we need. It comes with these different bars too. So these ones, want to put that over the bar and do those workouts. This has everything you need to get in shape. All right, my friends, yeah, I'm super impressed with that. I love how easy it is to change these in and out. I love how it's quick. So a lot of times it's discouraging. You're trying to work out and you gotta change up a bunch of things. You want to do different exercises and things like that. You have to switch it up. Like, oh man, now I gotta take this plate off and do all this. Not with this, you just move it down, move it up, multiple angles from wherever you want to do it. So this is super quick, easy, efficient. I can go from the different exercises that I need to do rapidly and transition. So yeah, I'm just really impressed with it. I like that I don't have to go to the gym. Like, I can do all my exercises from my home. And I like the little spot bar too. So, you know, you don't get in trouble. You're not going to come out and someone's not going to come out in the garage and have your bar on your neck or anything like that. So this is a very nice safety feature. Like I said, this is easy to switch in and out too. Just move that out and you can adjust the height. So whether you want it to spot you for your benches or for your squats, yeah, it's definitely a good thing to prevent injury. You also have these things down here for the bands. You can put bands on there, help with your bench and things like that. So it comes with some hooks and other things as well. So you got everything that you need to get a great workout in. Well, friends, if you guys are looking to get fit, I mean, just to get in better shape, obviously the benefits are pretty undisputable. So if you let yourself go a little bit, you notice it definitely. So it was time to get back into working out again. And so this thing, Sportsroyals Power Cage, it addresses all my needs. It's very convenient. I really like it. It's sturdy, it's well built. Those little only shaking you hear is that back there, those little bars in there. It's not a structural issue. This thing is super strong. I have full confidence in its ability to hold pretty much anything I can throw around as far as weight wise. Yeah, the versatility, how small it is, you're going to save a ton of money on gym memberships and things like that. I'm just super impressed with it. It's smooth. The transition between different things is very easy. If you guys are looking for a great way to get in shape, if you have a little bit of room to spare, check this one out. I'll link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful.